Hello and welcome to today's lesson on how to unclog a kitchen sink. A clogged kitchen sink can be a frustrating and inconvenient problem, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be easily solved. In this lesson, we'll cover some simple steps that you can take to unclog your kitchen sink and get your water flowing smoothly again. Step 1. Clear out any standing water. The first thing you'll want to do is clear out any standing water in the sink. If there's a lot of water, you may want to use a bucket or a bowl to scoop it out. Be sure to pour the water into a nearby drain or outside, rather than back into the sink. Step 2. Check the garbage disposal. If you have a garbage disposal, it's possible that it's causing the clog. To check this, turn off the disposal and use a flashlight to look down the drain. If you see any debris or objects that shouldn't be there, use tongs or pliers to remove them. Step 3. Try a plunger. If the clog isn't in the garbage disposal, the next step is to try using a plunger. Fill the sink with a few inches of water, then place the plunger over the drain and pump it up and down rapidly for about 30 seconds. If the water starts to drain, repeat the process a few times until the sink is empty. Step 4. Use a drain snake. If the plunger doesn't work, the next step is to use a drain snake. This is a long, flexible tool that you can insert into the drain to break up the clog. Insert the snake into the drain and turn it clockwise until you feel resistance. Then, push the snake down and turn it counterclockwise to break up the clog. Keep doing this until the clog is cleared. Step 5. Use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. If the previous steps haven't worked, you can try using a mixture of baking soda and vinegar to dissolve the clog. First, pour a pot of boiling water down the drain to loosen any debris. Then, pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Cover the drain with a plug or rag and let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. Finally, pour another pot of boiling water down the drain to flush out the clog. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to unclog a kitchen sink. By following these simple steps, you should be able to solve most clogs and keep your sink flowing smoothly. If you're still having problems after trying these steps, it may be time to call a plumber for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy unclogging!